Alright, so this is going to be my last video on infertility. As I said, a lot of things can cause infertility for men and women. I've already talked about radiation, I've already talked about infection. So today, I'm just going to highlight a few others. So number one, substance abuse. Substance abuse such as smoking. If you are a smoker, as a man, as a woman, it can affect your reproductive organs. For men, they can damage your sperm producing organs so that your body is not able to produce the right number of sperm. The ones that we're able to produce, it can kill them. Chemicals in those things, they are very harsh. They can damage your cells, alright? They can make the sperm to be weak, to be sluggish, so that it's not able to swim, alright? Then for the women, they can damage your ovaries. It can make your egg to be aging. It can make your egg to be old on time. They can also cause hormonal imbalance for both men and women. It is the hormone that is responsible for producing these cells, these sperm cells and the ovaries, the eggs as the woman. So if the hormones are imbalanced, it will not be able to produce well. So this is a cause of infertility. Smoking. Another substance abuse is alcohol. Those chemicals inside those alcohol, and then it can do the same thing that I just listed for you now. Alcohol. So you're going to stop it. Another one that causes infertility for men is overheating of testicles. The scrotum is outside of the body for a reason. You understand? It is not inside the body, it's outside of the body for a reason. So you that is very tight boxers, your boxer is always very tight. You can press your scrotum, your eggs, your testes against your body so that the body heat will impact on it, and the cells does not like heat. The heat can kill your sperm cells. Okay, then you that is a driver that drives for a very long time, they rest. Sometimes they give yourself rest, come out of the car, sit down somewhere, let the testes breathe. You understand? Then some kind of heat that you subject to your body, if you are overheating that place, if there is too much heat in that place, it can damage your cells, so that your cells will not be able to survive, so as to cause a pregnancy. Another thing that can cause infertility is the one I call medication. Yes, medication is a part of substance abuse of medications, especially antibiotics. Any small thing, they take antibiotics. Any small thing, they carry antibiotics take. There are some antibiotics that can damage your body, that can cause hormonal imbalance for men and women. Some antibiotics that can cause, it can cause gene mutation. Your sperm cell has the DNA is in the head of the sperm cell. Okay, it can mutate the gene there so that it cannot carry out a pregnancy. Alright. One last one that I want to talk about is retrograde ejaculation. Retrograde ejaculation. It means that during sexual excitement, as a man, when you want to come, the sperm cell will not come out. Where does it go to? You will still feel that orgasm. You will still feel that something came out, but it didn't come out. As I said in my previous video, the sperm cell is produced in another place, the semen is produced in another place, and others. So during sexual excitement, instead of the sperm cell to come out, it will enter the bladder. Normally, during sexual excitement, the bladder neck is supposed to be closed so that it can allow all the fluid that are in other visceral organs, those other organs to come outside. Okay. But in this abnormality, instead of the sperm cell to come outside, the bladder neck will be, the muzzle of the bladder neck will be weak. Instead of it to close, it will open. The sperm cell will flush inside the bladder. It will mix with the urine. Meanwhile, you will still feel the whitish fluid will still come out. You will still feel that you have ejaculated, but the sperm cell did not follow. Okay, so if you want to know if this is your condition, immediately after ejaculation, immediately after everything, you can go to the hospital to test your urine. Even though you will at that moment, that will not be all. Later, there are some urine that are still there that will contain a lot of sperm cells. If this is the case, okay, so you're going to notice a lot of sperm inside the urine. So you now know that your muscles are weak. You are having retrograde ejaculation. A lot of things cause infertility, and this part of it. So whatever it is, your problem, whether substance abuse, smoking, drinking alcohol, overheat testes, you do the wear tight boxers and all that, please work and everything will be fine. Thank you.